If you're looking for file storage, but with extra protection, I have two awesome options for you. So first, Top Goose. This is a fireproof box. It has a lock, it is water resistant, and you can file away all your files, lots of pockets, lots of extra storage, and it even comes with this cool little zippered bag. So to keep any important documents safe in case of any emergency, this is ideal. The second option is the DocSafe file box. This is also fireproof. It is also water resistant, but it has the added bonus of an extra zippered section on the top, so even more room, and it has wheels. So this one is ideal for travel. You can pull it behind you. You can take it from room to room. Really easy to transport. They are both extremely well made. They're very similar in feel and function, but one is just a little bit larger than the other with a few extra features. Either one is great. I'm happy with both, and I feel really confident that it will protect my paperwork.